How to buy DOGIZ, the Dogizen token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now to be able to buy this token, before that, make sure to check the Rex account. As you can see, they have a big community there. Just go and check it. Now keep following their updates about this token, and now go and we will be able to buy it. Now after that, go to their official websites. Now this is the page that you will buy this token. This token is in pre-sale. Now what you need to do for that, just connect your wallet and now select the network from here, for example Sol. Now connect your wallet and now click on Phantom. For example, I will use Phantom. Just click on connect, and as you can see, your wallet is connected to their page. Now here select the payment. For example, if you select the Sol network, you will see all of these token that available under that stock under that network. After that, select the token, for example USDT. Now for here, just type how much you want to buy. As you can see, this is how much you will receive with that token. But because I don't have any USDT on my wallet, I can't see here the buy option, but for you, you will be able to see it and click on it, and a pop-up it will appear here, and just click on approve and complete the buy process to be able to buy it. But if you want to buy it with your card, you can select the you can click on USDT and click on card here. As you can see, you can buy with your USD dollars. So if you click on it, as you can see, now type here how much you want to buy of dollars, for example $100. Now click on wrong network, and as you can see, if you click on it, now click on the network that you want to use for here. As you can see, Bitget wallet, and as you can see, log into your wallet, and now after that click on connect. And now after you connect your wallet, select the card from here, that click on USD. Now click on buy now, and now after that, as you can see, you can now buy the dollar. Just enter your phone number, you will receive a confirmation code. Just submit it here, and you will be able to complete the buy process to be able to buy this DOGIZ token. So this is how to buy the DOGIZ token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.